The by and large in every practical sense, current exchanging volume of torrential slide especially in every practical sense, is at $408,804, which actually really is very huge. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, most certainly especially as opposed to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious manner. Avax United States dollar medium term support sort of in every way that really matters remained at $13.68, which for the most part especially is genuinely huge, which by and large is genuinely critical. Torrential slides EMA10 explicitly by and large shows a vertical pattern, which for the most part especially is genuinely huge, which is very critical. 27 November 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, certainly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for torrential slide. Especially as Avax an essentially wise interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth in a very certainly enormous manner incredibly. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, most certainly led us in every practical sense, by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations, in an all things considered, significant way. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,392,958,938,316 in a quite of large way. The especially kind of all-out exchanging volume quite all plans and purposes remains at $51,887,486,523, exhibiting that torrential slides EMA10 entirely shows a vertical pattern. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly really has a predominance of 16.33%, so torrential slides EMA10 by and large generally shows a vertical pattern incredibly. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95%, or so they thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large sort of, has seen a value diminishing of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely critical, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP for the most part by and large, is somewhere near 3.54 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, reasonably certainly in spite of mainstream thinking in a very huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense generally is genuinely huge, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market especially truly is going in an actually by and large descending heading for decently kind of present moment, or so they most certainly thought, which truly is genuinely critical. As of now, a general genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish truly in every practical sense, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which especially fundamentally shows that as of now, a sort of broad certainly quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner, which essentially is very critical. Support truly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally in every practical sense become genuinely considerably more essentially dynamic and essentially truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly further appearance how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers explicitly become move genuinely dynamic and explicitly by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought in a very huge manner. Following sort of most certainly are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost by and large is $19.96. With an exchanging volume of $400,008,804 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, truly in spite of mainstream thinking, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. At present, Avax explicitly is somewhere around 6.37% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $7,287,408,155 United States dollars. So market examination over the truly kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part especially, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,392,958,938,316, which certainly soared of is very huge. In opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for 27 November 2023, inside an everyday time span for the most part really made sense of beneath, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of genuinely normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the torrential slide in a very sort of enormous manner. As a matter of fact, while Avax's Williams %R pointer certainly especially is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange really signaled by and large in a real sense, is especially conceivable at this reach in a significant manner, which is genuinely huge. The Avax United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker by and large in every practical sense, is showing a sort of genuinely present moment very sell in every way that really matters, truly signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath signal line, which by and large means generally in every practical sense, bears sort of in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting how Avax United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at $13.68 in an all things considered huge way, which is very critical. The in every practical sense, most certainly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense especially is at 29, which explicitly is genuinely critical, or so they by and large thought. Ends there sort of in a real sense had been a truly bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will especially go on as truly lengthy, as it truly sort of stays in the rosy region, fundamentally kind of additional appearance, how 27 November 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for especially truly 1 week from now, and all things considered, attempt to answer these much of the time, especially truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what truly all things considered is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. For the most part is Avax a very truly wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge in an unpretentious manner. You ought to possibly basically explicitly get crypto the present moment in the event that you're ready to fundamentally in every practice